First standard EVS Birds.
Hi students, welcome to the EVS class. Okay, name some living things. Yes, human beings, plants, animals, etc. Okay, this is a type of an animal, but they have two legs, two eyes, two wings and feathers. What are they, kids? Yes, they are birds. Okay, today we are going to learn about birds. Shall we learn, kids?
Birds are everywhere. There are various types of birds. Some are small and some are big. Birds are beautiful flying creatures. Totally, there are 10,000 types of birds in the world. What bird is this, kids? Tell me. Yes, this is a peacock. Okay? The peacock is one of the most beautiful bird. It has a long colorful tail. Peacock dances in the rain. Okay? The peacock is our national bird. Which is our national bird, kids? Yes, the peacock is our national bird. Okay, kids, can you identify this one? What bird is this? Yes, crow. Okay, crows have black feathers with a large grey patch on the body. Okay, they are bold, aggressive and very intelligent birds. Aggressive means ready to fight or argue. Okay, shall we see the next one? This is a parrot. Okay, the parrot is a green colored bird with a red beak and red band around its neck. Parrots can talk with us. This is a crane. Cranes are large birds with long legs and a long neck. They migrate to warm places in winter. Migrate means to travel from one part of the world to another at the same time every year. Okay? Migrate means to travel from one part of the world to another at the same time every year. Now see the bird. What is this? Yes, dove. Okay, this is a dove. Doves are beautiful birds with snow white feathers on their body. They are a universal symbol of peace. Okay, doves are a universal symbol of peace. This is a pigeon. Okay, the pigeon has grey feathers with a shiny green neckband. They make nests on trees. Do you know, kids? Doves and pigeons look very similar. Okay, but dove looks small in size and pigeon looks big in size. Next difference is doves have white or grey color feathers. Okay, Pigeons have brown, purplish feathers. Are you clear, kids? Doves and pigeons are different birds. This is an eagle. Eagles are meat-eating birds. They have strong claws that grab their prey while in flight. Claw means long curved nail. Okay. Grab means to take something with a sudden movement. Okay. Then prey means an animal or bird that is killed and eaten by another animal or bird. What bird is this, kids? Yes, kiwi. Okay, what bird is this? Kiwi. Kiwis are found in New Zealand. These are very small birds. Kiwis cannot fly, but they are fast runners. Kiwi is the only bird in the world with no wings. This is a pelican. Pelicans are good swimmers. They have large bills with a big pouch below it. Mainly, pelicans are fish eaters. Let us remember, which is our national bird? Tell me, kids, which is our national bird? Yes, peacock is our national bird. The next question is, which bird can talk with us? Yes, parrot can talk with us. Now answer me this question, kids. Which bird denotes the symbol of peace? Which bird denotes the symbol of peace? Yes, dove. Which bird has no wings and cannot fly? Yes, kiwi has no wings and it cannot fly. Okay, kids, birds are different from each other. Their size, shape, colors, beaks and claws are different. Some birds have long legs while others have short legs. Today we have learned some types of birds. I hope you are all enjoy the video. We will meet in next class. Bye, kids.